You took the risks and built a business. It probably wasn't easy or simple, but you did it. Over time, it grew because you made smart use of its assets, your skills, your team, your marketing, your equipment, and so on. Income started to flow, and this is where it gets interesting because most of what you make isn't going to you, it's going to taxes. Payroll taxes, sales taxes, and income taxes. With the leftovers, you pay yourself, and you guessed it, it gets taxed again. With those leftovers, you get to pay for your lifestyle, build your net worth, and you've likely been working on doing some clever things with the rest. Business investments, RRSPS, real estate, and stocks and bonds. So let's recap. You built a business, were taxed on running it, taxed on the profit, are taxed on what you take out of it, and you'll be taxed on how you use that too. You will be taxed, but there are two critical questions. How much will you be taxed, and who will get your money in the future? Now, if you want to be able to answer as little as possible to the first question, and to me and my family for the second, you're in good company. And you'll have to look at four things: your business structure, the asset classes you own, what you actually want in the future, and your plan for getting exactly that. Your CA and lawyer have been taking care of the tax planning and wills. Your investment advisor has drawn up an investment plan. The challenge is that the work that's done for you isn't always tied to your income and estate plan. That's where we come in. We link it all together. There are very few advisor firms that can look at your business structure, ownership and structure of assets, and most importantly, the long-term income planning all the way through your life to the very last personal dollar you use so that you and your family get the most out of what you've built. You see, when you spend your assets differently, you are taxed differently. That can be really good or really bad for you and your estate. You have to have a plan from end to end. To make it work for you, you need to make better use of your wealth from the first dollar that's generated, and then need to make the most efficient use of every dollar, every asset along the way. This is just like how you grew your business. There are three keys to make the most of your wealth. You have to make the most of your personal investments, your business assets, and your holding company investments and corporate insurance. Do that, and there's more to you, more to your family, and less to tax. Efficient money builds better wealth, and 30 years of working with business owners means that we have the track record to prove it. Prove it for yourself.